gets blocked. Baroka saves the day!
Birthday boy! That shot was within the 24-second shot clock.
And it does, as signaled by crew chief Peter Bagaw.
The transition attack from Rainer Shine. Ito, yung tira. Clarito. He's got 6 points.
Zero when we get back. Defense. Guards. Before we go with the 4, make sure the bigs are there already.
They were plus 10 in the assist department.
Baroka is playing his 630 shots. Ito na nga ang pinang...
Na ring 9 points ito si Clarito. So na-match niya na yung ginawa niya again. It would have been a shot clock violation din, pero napaganda pa for Rainer Shine. Their last game, you did mention this, Kyung-son, only 1 of 7 from the field. Nung kalaban nila Phoenix.